Hello, how are you friends on this your channel Droidechilango? In this video we have an unboxing by our excellent friends. This device is a carbon monoxide smoke sensor CSC07 XSense. Well, I called my friend Razor to make some cuts and unboxing this package. And we have our friends the Mishis who joins unboxings. Well, these sensors come built 10 years battery, provides 10 years of continuous power with a built-in lithium battery, saving on energy while remaining eco-friendly, save you from constantly having to change battery of wonder if your alarm is still function.
2in1 protection. Equipped with both photoelectric and electrochemical CO sensors that work independently of each other. Instantly notifies you when dangerous smoke or CO concentration is detected while minimizing false alarms. Provides the ultimate protection from two deadly threats. All contained in one unit built-in 10YEAR battery. Provides 10 years of continuous power with a built-in lithium battery, saving on energy while remaining eco-friendly. Saves you from constantly having to change batteries or wonder if your alarm is still functioning. Accurate, reliable and highly sensitive. The XSense combination smoke and co-alarm has been redesigned from the inside out. It will ensure that smoke triggers the alarm instead of interference by taking 3 separate smoke samples from the surrounding air. A full 360 degrees ring of air intakes ensures complete detection with no blind spots. LED indicator clearly informs you of the working status of the alarm with its 3-color flashing LED indicator. Green LED indicates normal operation, red LED indicates the alarm status, and yellow LED indicates a fault, ensuring the safety and security of your home. 24/7 large LCD display clearly displays battery level and the real-time CO levels in ppm, parts per million, taken from the surrounding air, with an updated measurement taken every 10 seconds. Assured quality. Approved by the ETL and meets the UL 217 and UL 2034 safety standards. Comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, a 5-year warranty, and lifetime customer support. If you like this video, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel. Let's make a great community. Subscribe and see you in a next video.